So this is room 7323. It's an interior with a pull-out, and it is small. But as soon as you come in, the closets are to the left. Typical closets. Space at the top, bottom, plenty of hangers. You got the safe, extra linens on the bottom. So it's got drawers right here, hair dryer in the top one, laundry, bottom, phone, full length mirror, not full length mirror, but a mirror, small TV, does have a fridge at the bottom. Now this is 2 beds put together. There is no desk area. Very little working space here. So that's going to be different. This is where Anthony will sleep. That's where Michelle and I will sleep. No USBs. A couple lights behind it. Side table over here. All right, let's go look at the bathrooms. Typical Carnival bathroom. There's the light switch. All right, bathroom. Gotta watch your step here. You got a toilet. Walk in. Sink. Got a trash can, extra tissue paper. You got an extra outlet at the top, mirror, shower, typical Carnival shower. You got soap, wand, you got the pull string already pulled across. Kind of a rectangle layout. So yeah, normal couple hangers on the back. So this room feels really small. I don't know if it's because there's just not much desk space here at all. And I need desk space when I'm vlogging. And plus you got this little bed that's been pulled out, this trundle, which takes a lot of space. I kind of wish they would have just had a couch on this wall, but it is what it is. We're gonna deal with it. And we'll tell you what the room was like. To this side of us is a hallway, and that side is a room. We found out that this goes up and down pretty easily.
We have a solution.
Yeah, so now we're just asking Anthony to sleep like this, sleep in half a bed.
It's cozy. It's quite cozy.
So,
some wild hair you have.
So now we got plenty of room in here to get through and get around.
I like this. This is actually quite cozy.
So yeah, who needs a full bed? Anthony just needs a half a bed.
It is quite
That's all he needs, right? All right, so we've got both suitcases emptied. Michelle did an awesome job. We'll notice this, that there is a European outlet, but that is actually going to the fridge, which is not cooling very well. So we brought this one beat. We always bring this one beat, and we got that plugged in over here. Unplugged that one. Then I got a laptop here that I'm using. So let's look at the closet now. So there's our stuff at the top, stuff at the bottom. And Michelle's stuff is hung up as well now. So and we got our stuff in the bathroom now. So it's starting to look like home.
very small home.
Looking like home. So this room is not magnetic. The only thing that's magnetic in this room is the doorways going to the bathroom and the ceiling. So if you're on a ship and the walls are not magnetic, which this one is not, this has happened before on Carnival ships, this wall nor this wall is magnetic, but the ceiling is. So we've got our hats, we brought our magnetic caps, and we got our hats, our caps, hanging from up high. Thank you for checking out this video. Please join us on Facebook. We have a Facebook group page, and also go ahead and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thank you and have a good day.